So, ito na yung bagong layout. Ikot ka. Yan. Itong side na tong sa front this is alley 2. This one is general side. And this one is lot C side. This one, on the other hand, is Tita Phoebe's side. Wait, harap natin. So, let's focus on the second floor muna. Okay, sa second floor, ito yung front view niya. Ang 2D layout niya is like this. So, itong nasa harap na mga rooms, may 2 bedroom dyan, tsaka 1 bathroom. Tapos, as soon as umakyat ka ng stairs, may hallway. Tapos, to the right of the hallway, merong sliding door. Papasok nung buong living room and dining and kitchen. Tapos, inilabas namin yung hagdan sa may left side. Dun sa side ng lot C. So, ang itsura niyan in 3D is like this. Yan. Yan siya in 3D. Tapos, dito sa general side, ito naman, makikita mo, yung taas na yan, butas yan. Tapos sa ibaba, grills. Tapos, to the right, meron siyang window. And yung pahabang window na yan, bathroom yan. And then, ito may pintuan din dyan papunta dun sa hallway, papunta ng stairs. Kita mo yan yung 450 or 4.5 meters na sliding. So, pag akyat mo ng stairs dyan na, sliding papasok ng living room tsaka ng dining. And then, may pinto sa tabi niya, yun yung papasok ng hallway. So, outdoor pa rin yung stairs natin. Tapos, ayan. Ikot ko. Dun sa side ng stairs, ito yung makikita mo. May grills lang siya na malaki dyan sa gilid ng stairs. And then, sa ilalim niyan, meron ang gagamitin nating material, tough block. Kung may kailangan pang mga framing sa gilid ng grills, hardy flex na gamitin natin. And then sa loob, merong window para makakuha tayo ng hangin from the grills outside papunta dun sa loob ng kasi dyan galing ang hangin. Yan, sa lot C na yan na side. And then, in this area naman, walang ka-window-window dyan. That's Tita Phoebe's side. Yan. So, balik tayo. That's the front view of second floor. Now, third floor na tayo. Ito ang layout ng third floor. So, in the third floor, 2 lang yung kwarto dyan. Merong 1 bathroom. And may hallway tayo para makapasok dun sa bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Yung bedroom dito sa may alley 2 side is Andre's room. And yung malaking bedroom dyan is my room and Kai's room. And then, yung hagdan, it's in between Andre's room and our room. Tapos, yung bathroom dyan, shared yung door. Shared bathroom siya, so may 2 door. Ito yung 3D layout niya. Okay, so dito muna tayo sa alley 2. Walls muna. Sa front, sa kwarto ni Andre, may isang fixed na window, yung malaking window dyan, yung kulay puti. Hindi siya nabubukas. But to its right, meron siya yung all home na window. And then sa banyo, may isang window dun sa harap. Then ito yung side ni General. Meron isang window na pahaba. That's the frosted window. That's the bathroom. And then merong sliding door dyan. That's the 3 meter by 8 feet na sliding. And then to the left, may window dyan. Yung space between the balcony to the sliding, it's just mga 8 inches. Ito naman, sa kabilang side, sa lot C, may isang opening window and isang may fixed na window para dun sa hallway. Ito namang side ni Tita Phoebe, since mataas na yan, pwedeng maglagay ng grills. Tapos, parang may mini balcony dyan kasi may grills. Tapos, nandun yung pintuan papasok ng room namin. And yan naman sa room ni Andre. Yan. So, ito yung layout niya. Bird's eye view, sa taas tayo tumingin. Yan, yung room ni Andre and then room namin. Yun yung grills sa hallway. Tsaka yun yung stairs, paakyat. Tapos, ayan. Please don't mind the halaman, hindi ko lang siya natanggal. So that is the third floor layout. Ngayon, punta tayo dun sa may roof deck. Ayan na yung roof deck. So, pag akyat mo dun sa may stairs na yun, dyan ka makakaakyat. May mga grills lang around the perimeter para hindi mahulog kung sino man naakyat dyan sa may roof deck. Ito na yung kabuuan niya. To the left. And then, ito yung lot C. And ito yung side ni Tita Phoebe. There you go. Tapos, I will give you the measurements of the windows. Naka-print out na yan. Yan. In terms of the materials used, itong third floor, lahat yan Hardy Flex. Lahat ng third floor. Yan. Yung second floor, yun na may mixture of Hardy Flex and Tough Blocks. So, yan. Tingnan mo, dun sa may second floor, yung ilalim ng mga windows, naka-tough block. And syempre yung sa CR, naka-tough block yan. Yung nababasang area. That's it. Yun na yung layout. We'll give you the printouts.